Namaste, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn fish pose or Matsyasana. It is a backward bend chest opening asana and a beginner can practice this. This asana anatomically affects the chest, the abs, the belly, the neck, the spine and also the hip flexors. This particular asana allows to stretch the hip flexors, the psoas muscles and also the muscles between the rib cage, also called as intercostal muscles. It strengthens and stimulates the organs inside the abdomen and the throat area. It also stretches the upper back and the neck region beautifully. Those who have insomnia, those who have high or low blood pressure, those who have migraine, those who have injury in the lower back or the neck region should avoid this practice. It is said traditionally that when you practice this asana can help to destroy all the disease. So friends, let's watch this asana. This asana can be done in a lotus pose also or with straight leg. A lot of time when people do this in lotus pose, they find a lot of strength. So we will make it simple. We will do it with a straight leg position. So lie down on the back, supine position. After lying on the back, what we do is we bring the palms on the floor and underneath the buttock. This allows the chest area to lift easily because we are going to use the support of the elbows and the forearm. So legs are a little active, thighs are a little active, quads are engaged, kneecap is used. Now slowly press the elbows down on the floor. Or what you can do is you can press the elbow down and lift your head up so that you can watch your toes. And then slowly roll the head behind and bring the crown of the head on the floor if possible. No matter if you don't reach here. Even if you reach anywhere here or maybe on the crown, that is fine. Just hold it with ease and the weight is actually not much coming on the head. It is actually the elbow which is taking the weight. Maybe on a later run, the weight can come on the head region, but in the beginning it should come only on the elbow. The elbow is supporting you to hold in the final position. So lifting the head, shoulder up, watching the toes, lifting, bringing the crown of the head behind, opening the chest, dropping the shoulders, allowing the shoulder blade to squeeze down. Hold this position, breathe in this position. Gently come back. Friends, when you do this, it is very important to allow the muscles of the chest to open with ease and to breathe softly and gently into it. Now when you come back, you can also lift your head up and watch your toes to come back. The way we went, in the same way we come back. So we went with using the elbow, watching the toe, and when we want to come back, we use the elbow, we'll look at the toe and slowly come down. This particular asana, friends, is very good for thyroid. They say that when the thyroid goes off because of hyper or hypo, it creates a lot of imbalance in the body. So this asana will affect this particular area, thyroid, very beautifully. If you want, after the practice, you can move the head chin a little forward and upward so that you can counterbalance the movement that you did in the fish pose. Friends, if you like my video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get updates of new videos that we will post. If you have any valuable feedback, suggestions, write to us. Also, if you want us to cover any particular subject, topic related to yoga, write to us. We will try to cover that in near future. Thank you for watching the video.